beautiful nature, but there's the problem with the people. Behind the beauty is the ugliness of humanity. So let's get started.
"17 years, 1 month, 14 days, 18 hours, 31 minutes, 25 seconds and counting. Living in a world where everything changes, from the air we inhale to the land we step on. Changed by the means of nature. Change that can endanger creatures, including us and the future." Look deep into nature, and then you will understand everything better. There is pleasure in the pathless woods. But how can the next generation know or feel such a thing when we keep on destroying it? People cut thousands of trees for landscapes, malls, buildings, and houses.
This is what people are today. Think about the younger generation. It's not how much time you have, it's how you use it. Nature is God's gift, so we should protect it. If you destroyed nature, it's like you've destroyed your own future. It's never too late to change your ways.
Change always starts in you.